Beauty sponge. The soft, flexible sponge applies foundation concealer around the contours of the face. Use the pointed tips to reach hard-to-reach areas such as the eyes, nose. Use wet or dry makeup brushes. Whether they're travel-size makeup brushes, eye makeup brushes, foundation brushes or beauty sponges, the Ecotools vegan makeup brushes flawlessly help apply products to your face. Face forward. Ecotools offers a full variety of high-quality spa tools, makeup brushes, sponges, eyes, brow, blender, lip, or skin face. We've got every beauty tool to put your best face forward. Ecotools. We provide high-quality, environmentally friendly makeup brushes, sponges, brush cleaners, spa products, face body care products made of recycled aluminum plastic with renewable bamboo. Power of beauty. Aside from our quality cruelty-free vegan makeup products, we support women's empowerment for women to become the best version of themselves. Top reviews from the United States. Best beauty blender. I've tried high-end beauty blenders to cheap ones, and this by far has been my favorite. I wish I found it sooner. It will not soak all the makeup. It blots so beautiful on the skin. I love the shape. You can use it for under eyes.